Babes, what's up? Welcome to the Kendy Beauty channel. How is everyone doing this beautiful Saturday morning? I'm so excited to bring you some more sneak peeks, and I hinted about this in the comment section of the last video, so I wanted to get on here and spread the news of my fix on what I think this could possibly be, and a few more sneak peeks that I have that I've been saving to share with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing this, please hit that subscribe button. And after you watch the video, if you like what you see, please hit that like button. I would truly appreciate it. Okay, let's get it on here. And the first thing we see is a new collaboration with Juvia Cosmetics. Yes, Joe already hinted around that we would be seeing more Juvia Cosmetics. And this is actually a picture of a cake, which is hard to believe that was going around Instagram. So when you see Boxycharm X Juvia, you know something's coming. Now, this is going to be similar to our collaboration with Fenty Beauty. Now, everyone really liked Fenty Beauty. I know after we seen the products, we were kind of like, well, you know, if I were buying these products, maybe I wouldn't have purchased these exact ones. But would I ever purchase Fenty anyways? No. So I was happy to get that palette for one. You know, I already had the palette, so I was, you know, it was something that I would purchase for myself. So I know a lot of people love that palette in that box, and that's really what made that box what it was. So if you're interested in an all Juvia box and are wondering what can possibly be in a Juvia box, stay tuned. Okay, let's look at a few Juvia cosmetic products. Looking at this is actually a cake, so it's not going to be the exact colors to some of the items in Juvia, so I'm just going to show you a few that it could possibly be. They have several palettes, not as many as like other brands, but you know, Boxycharm can always do a collaboration palette too, so we may not even see the palette that's going to be in this box. But this kind of looks like the Springtime in Paris eyeshadow palette that they have right now. It sells for $40. It's a beautiful palette. I've never used their eyeshadow products, but I have used their blush products, and their blush products are absolutely amazing. So this is one that looks similar to the one in the box, but not exactly. But when you're doing a cake, can you get the exact colors anyways? So this is all just guesswork as to what it possibly can be in the box. Now, another item that looks familiar to something that they sell is in the back on the left. They have a box there. This kind of looks like it could be their foundation. Would I love a foundation from Juvia? Absolutely. Juvia has 42 different shades, but I know from the past when we got foundations from Boxy, they have to narrow it down. Just because of the logistics of putting it in a box, they have to, you know, do a light, a fair, and they mostly go with neutral shades rather than warm or cool shades. Here's an example of what the sand would look like. You can see a before and after, and then I show an example of latte. But there's like 42 different shades. You can look on their site, and I'm sure we'll only get like 5 or 6 different shades to pick from if this happens. I'm not saying it is. It's a possibility, though, to make it more universal. So could we see a foundation? Possibly. Now, the roundish type product in that box looks like one of their Essential Lip Enhancer Shine Balms. This one's in the shade Rose. This sells for $18. And this is a lightweight, moisture-rich balm for smooth, shiny, kissable, baby soft lips. And it comes in several different shades, but it has that round shape, whereas their normal lip products are in a rectangular box, not a round box. So would I love a lippy from Juvia? Absolutely. I do own several lippies from Juvia because I bought at Christmas time. They had like a mini set, and I'm not sure, I may have gotten 6 lippies as well as 6 toppers. They sell these toppers that transform the lipstick. Absolutely beautiful. Their rose gold is something that that's what sold me on making an order from Juvia the very first time, was the rose gold lip shades. Just absolutely beautiful. But now another product they just came out with is their new Essential High Coverage Concealer Pen. This sells for $22. It comes in 23 different shades. What it is a spot concealer. It's creamy, buildable from medium to full coverage. It conceals with powerful skincare ingredients. I don't think we'll see this in the box because it's so new. If we were to see a concealer, I think it would be their Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer, which comes in 25 different shades. It also sells for $22. It's a full coverage concealer made with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid that instantly hides imperfections and dark circles without creasing. Very good concealer. They come in the same colors basically, but one is in a pin formation. I just don't think we'd see the new one in the box. The last Juvia product I'd like to show you is their beautiful blush bouquet. It's a blush duo that offers a velvety smooth and full pigment color blends for a perfect finish. It'll create the perfect flush. It features 2 complementary shades that can be applied alone, layered, or blended together to create the perfect flush. It's talc free. It offers high pigment and true color payoff with every swipe. And it also has vitamin E. It fights against cell damage and acts as a natural skin conditioner. And these are just beautiful. I actually have one of these and I love it. Let me show you some of the shades. This is Darling. It's got Embrace Me, Warm Satin Toast, and Love Me, which is a warm satin peachy pink. This one is called Passion. It's got on the left, Cherish Me, which is a warm matte burnt umber, and then Treasure Me, which is a warm shimmering bronze tangerine. Just beautiful, beautiful shades that will complement any skin tone, and it looks like we'll be getting one of these in the box. If this is a representative of what our box would look like, remember guys, it is a cake. It's just a guess right now. We're not sure which exact products will be in the box. All we know that this should be coming maybe in June or July, who knows. This was a cake that was made to celebrate the collaboration and somehow got leaked on the internet, so we were lucky to get this. The last thing I want to mention is Huda Beauty. We should be seeing some Huda Beauty coming up this year in our boxes. Amanda was the first person to send me something showing the Huda Beauty Pink Neon Obsessions palette as one of the in the questionnaires that she filled out. So I have a video I'll link up above that explains all these palettes, but I just want to let you know these are not her newest palettes. The newest Obsession palettes are her pastels. These neon ones came out, I guess, last summer sometime, and they're very beautiful. Neons were very popular at the time. Actually, I wasn't really up on them until I got that Ace Beauty Scarlet Vintage Dawn palette. I really love the neon shades in it. So the one they showed is this pink neon, which is very pretty, but you also have the orange neon orange palette and the green neon palette. I just want to show you 3 looks here with the neon Obsession palettes. You can really go bold with these looks, but you can do an everyday look with it. I think it's really on trend. I think it's something you would want to change up your eye look with. I don't think it's too flashy. What do you think about these 3 different style eye looks? I think 2 of them I absolutely would do. I'd probably try all 3, but some I don't know if I could do those wings. But these 3 are absolutely beautiful eye looks that a lot of us can achieve and wear every day. But I'm wondering, which one of these is your favorite? I know a lot of people weren't happy when they seen neon being in the Boxycharm box. So in the comments, can you please put if you're happy to see Juvia in the box? Is this one of the brands that you are happy to see in the box? I am. I definitely am. I have tried out some of the products, but I know many of you have not. So what do you think about Juvia? I want to remind everybody about our giveaway. We still have about 8-10 days left in the month. Not many. So you could possibly win a Carlie Bybel palette or an Urban Decay Reloaded palette. Make sure you read the rules and regulations. And if you watch this video listed above, I'm also giving a Boxycharm April base box away. If you would like one of these, please make sure you watch this video and it'll let you know all the rules and regulations to getting in to win that box. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will be coming out with more videos on the Boxy pop-up items, and I still have some more sneak peeks. So I don't want to make too long of a video. So until I see you later, let beauty transform you inside and out, and always have a smile on your beautiful face. Thank you for watching, and until the next video, take care. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.
With your queen of hearts, when everyone folds, your fork still holds your place in your bed, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules, talking way too loud, and you're talking rude. You're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is back, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my